Hi Scapy friends, welcome back to my channel. Virginia here, and today I'm going to share with you a set of cards that I created as a member of the design team of Fantasia di Carta, an Italian online shop. So I used this lovely collection called Freezing Season by Carpe Diem, which includes lots of cute icons, which are very good to create quickly a bunch of beautiful greeting cards. And today I'm going to create 3 cards with this collection. But before going to the project, I'm going to quickly show you the paper and the stickers included in the collection kit. There are 10 double-sided pattern paper. Some of them includes various size cards. There are 3x4, 3x3 and 4x6 cards, and also a full 12x12 sticker sheet. So you can create a lot with this. So you can have a look now at the patterns in case you haven't seen this collection. And for my project today, I'm also going to use the chipboard pieces, which I actually find particularly useful when creating cards because they help you add dimensions to your project. So now let's start with my project, and first of all I'm going to choose the patterns I want to use as backgrounds for my cards. My cards are 7 inches by 5 inches, so I'm going first of all to cut 3 rectangles of this size out of pattern paper because, as I said, I'm going to create 3 cards. First of all, I'm cutting this fantastic pattern paper with these mountains. And actually, since I want my background to be a bit smaller than the card itself so that a little white border will show around it, I'm cutting out about 1/8 of an inch from each side. So in the end, the final size of the rectangle is something like 6 3/4 of an inch by 4 3/4 of an inch. Of course, doesn't need it to be really precise. You can just eyeball it. So for one of my cards, I want to use this lovely snow globe, but this is a sticker and I want to be able to raise it up using adhesive foam. So first of all, I'm attaching it to a piece of white cardstock, and then I'm fast cutting it so that I can use it as I want to move it around. I'm also going to cut some words from the cut apart pages, which I'm going to use as sentiments for my cards. On this, for example, I'm going to put the phrase winter kisses. The heart that you can see is a sticker as well, and I attached it to cardstock and then fussy cut it. So then I will be able to glue everything down with foam, with adhesive foam, and raise them up. I want to add the second layer of pattern paper, so I cut a smaller rectangle which I'm going to place on top of the background one. That's the scheme of the first card. So moving on to the second, in this one I want to use this lovely adorable polar bear included in the chipboard set, and I love that it wears this colorful sweater. While as a sentiment I'm going to use this winter wishes phrase, which is included in one of the 3x4 element paper. Now I'm doing the same as before. I want to create a double layer, so I cut another background rectangle from the striped paper included in the pattern paper, and I'm going to reduce the size of the one which I used before to use it as a second layer. Now this is the third card, and I'm going to do the same for this as well. As you can see, I cut a second layer, and now I'm going to attach it with adhesive foam, and I'm taking care to put the foam all around the borders because they need to be completely covered, while in the middle I'm going to add only a few pieces so that first of all I can spare foam, but it's also important because in my opinion it's better not to have a unique piece of foam, a big piece of foam, because normally it tends to create tension and wear a bit paper, while if you used more small pieces one next to the other, your paper or embellishment will lay flat. So now I'm going to glue down the chipboard pieces, and for this one I'm going to use this awesome row of houses with snow on the roofs, so lovely. And I'm also adding the banner So Much Love as a sentiment and a couple of colorful snowflakes. Even though they are self-adhesive because they are chipboard, I'm adding some glue to be sure that they will stay put. So this card is finished. Now I'll move to the other one. I did the same. I attached the different layers with adhesive foam. Now I'm proceeding to attach the chipboard, the beautiful bird. These trees, one is a sticker and the other one is a chipboard. And as a final touch, I'm going to add a few silver pearls, which also which add more texture and interest, and they are shiny, so they are definitely very cute. So this way the second panel is finished. Of course, then what is missing is just to attach them to the card. For the third one, I want to add an extra detail using some bakery twine. So I pulled out this light blue one that combines perfectly with the teal blue in the collection. And I'm winding up the twine 4 times around the paper and then fixing it in a bow. And now I'm going to attach it down with adhesive foam to raise up this layer as I did for the other cards, and then I will glue down also the various elements, the snow globe with this cute couple and the sentiment winter kisses and the heart. Actually, I'm going to use this as a Valentine, and it's nice to see that you, even if you don't have a dedicated collection, you can still use what you have, in this case the freezing season collection, to create a nice St. Valentine card. I'm going to finish it up adding a lot of colorful puffy hearts. So an extra detail as well, and very colorful. I'm also adding a heart in the middle of the phrase between winter and kisses. So with this beautiful puffy heart, the third card is completed, and in 1 second we will see the 3 cards all together. As you see, it was quite quick and easy to make these cards. And now I want to show you that even if you don't have the chipboard sticker, you can still create these beautiful cards just with the collection pack, since all the icons I've used are included either on the paper or in the sticker sheet, so very quick and easy. I really hope that you like my project. If you like this video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel. If you have doubts or questions, don't hesitate to leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye bye!